Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to create product-specific FAQs in Shopify, so each product page can have its own relevant questions and answers. This is useful when different products need unique support content, like sizing details, material care, or shipping info specific to that item. The first method is to use Shopify Metafields. Go to your Shopify admin, then navigate to Settings, Custom Data Products. Click a definition, name it something like Product FAQ, and choose the type as rich text or list of text. Once saved, go to each product in your admin and scroll down to the Metafields section to enter product-specific FAQs. Now you need to display those FAQs on the product page. In your theme code, go to Online Store Themes, Edit, Code, and open Product Template, Liquid or Main Product. Liquid depending on your theme. Locate where you want the FAQ to appear, and insert liquid code like Product, Metafields, Custom, Product FAQ. This will pull the custom content for each product and display it on that product's page only. Alternatively, if you prefer a no-code solution, apps like Product Questions and Answers or Easy FAQ allow you to add unique FAQs per product with a simple interface. These apps often include accordion-style layouts and flexible design options, so you can match your store's branding without touching the theme code. Using either method, make sure the FAQ content is clear and helpful, and preview each page to ensure the layout looks good. Product-specific FAQs are a great way to answer customer questions upfront and reduce support requests. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.